In this article, we will discuss definitions related to rotation group, topology group, C4V group. Example, you write. Then we will discuss what is characters of a given representation. First of all, rotation group. So the rotation group is noted by SO3 also. So means SO3 is basically the notation for this rotation group. So this rotation group consists of all rotations, and rotations we define in such a way that it is circular movement of an object about the center. This is a center of the three-dimensional Euclidean space. This is Euclidean space. So about center, if the rotation is made, right? Rotation is given, right? So the group of all such rotations. So what are the rotations can be given? So that is basically SO3. Now, topology group. Topology group is a group of G, because G we have discussed already, a set of elements together with the topology. What is topology? Topology is a mathematical study of the properties that are preserved during deformations. Means the mathematical properties. What are the properties we have? Right? Those properties are not changed in deformations, twisting or stretching. Whether you made twisting, twist or stretch, the properties will not change. That is topology. Uh, Group binary operation that will be there. Some binary operation will be there in a group, right? Means some operation will be there, plus or multiplication, and the function mapping group of elements to the respective inverse. So mapping between the group and their respective inverse are continuous function with respect to the topology. Mean with respect to topology, so the mapping will be such a way, right, that the group elements will be mapping to their respective inverses, and that is a continuous function also. Means no abrupt change is there. That is topology. So briefly you can say topology is what? It is topology is a group G together with some topology. Topology means what? Means if you twist the body or stretch the body, right, to make through such deformations, right, on the object, then the properties are not changed, conserved you can say, right, preserved you can say, right. That is basically topology group. So the mapping between the group and the respective inverses are continuous functions also with respect to the topology. Means with respect to topology, which we will discuss, that will be the continuous. Also, some binary operation will be there. So only then group we defined basically. That's some binary operation will be there. Operation of binary operation it is same thing. So so same thing we have already discussed, right? Same thing we have written. Topology group are used to study the continuous symmetries also, right? So continuous symmetries we will discuss. We will discuss later on symmetry. Okay. Uh, in your syllabus it is written example of C4V group. This is a point group basically. The xenon oxytetrafluoride, right? So it can stop if this will be the structure, right? So O is at the top. These are all in one plane. So C4 axis is there, that is point group symmetry, and 4 sigma B reflection operation is there. And this is the basically the character table for the C4V V group, right? These are the C1, C2, uh, C2, C4. Here C2, C4 are there. These are basically the the group symmetries, nothing else, right? These are the reflection planes we have discussed. We have already discussed. We have not discussed. So these things are not in the syllabus, but general we can say that it will be representing a representation of the C4V group. This is basically only it can be asked write one example of C4V, because in syllabus it written only write an example of C4V. Now, what is characters of representation? So character of a given representation of a group is a set of traces of all the matrices of a representation. Because always we can write uh, for a group, we can write a representation as a set of matrices, right? If you take the traces, what is traces? Traces is of the matrix is basically sum of diagonal terms, because in a matrix diagonal terms will be there. If you take the sum of that, right, that it is. So that is invariant under the similarity transformation. I mean, if they rotate also, right, those elements, right, the transformations will not change. So similarity transformation may be referred to a similarity in geometry shapes preserved during the transformation. Means geometry will not change. It will be preserving if you rotate, right? So traces of all the matrices of representation would be independent of the choice of basis vector. Choice of basis vector. What is basis vector? A set of vectors in a vector space V is called basis. If every element of V vector space, that means because vector space we have discussed already, may be written in a unique way. If you write in unique way, that is basically the basis vector. So traces of all the matrices, because sum of diagonal is basically traces. If you take the traces of all the matrices of the representations, that will be independent of choice of vector, choice of basis vector. That is basically the character of representation, right? Because what is that? That is the traces, right? And what is traces? Set of traces of what is character of a given representation of a group is a set of traces of all the matrices of representation. So I think all the articles are covered now. If any article is left, please tell me. Thank you.